Hey guys, how we doing today? We got the Monsterbass box for this month. Let's see what we got in here. Sticker, always. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, I looked online. Most of these stuffs, prices are right. I could not find the V8 Lab strike shad that's listed on here. Everything else I found, prices are close, if not the same. So that's good. We're actually getting what we're paying for. Here's actually the V8 strike shad here. It's a shallow diver, I believe is what it is. 1/2 ounce, 4 to 10 foot, so shallow to medium. See what it looks like here. Looks pretty good in the box. Oh yeah. The hooks are pretty sharp, so we won't have to change them out. Nice paint job. Awesome. We'll give that a try. Next up we have Rapid Baits Rabid Crawl. Rabid baits. Okay. Gotta get a little action to it. Well, I think that might be a defect. What do you guys think? Let's check another one. Yeah, all the other ones about the same. And we have a half ounce squelcher from Booyah. Well, we all know what buzzbaits are. And let's see what we got here. Super K jig. 1/4 ounce calico. It's weedless. It's a good sharp hook. We'll throw some of them rabid crawls on here and make a good trailer. What else we got here? Lunker Hunt. So they're putting some of your higher dollar stuff in here. 0 to 2.5 foot, 1/4 ounce, 2-inch length, wide wobble. And it does float. This is from the Kraken series. What we got here? Ooh, hooks are real sharp on this. Looks good, guys. And the Chase Baits Rip Snorter. I actually watched a Monsterbass video. He was talking about these. I've never had any luck out of these types of baits. Maybe this one's a little bit different. It does have a little spinner on there, so we'll give it a try. That's actually the most expensive thing in here at $12.50. Got some sandbar tackle hooks, worm hooks. So, a little sample pack of hooks. And we have Biffle Bug by Jean LaRue. Original salt impregnated lures. They look pretty good. A little tongue hanging off the end of it. Got plenty of action. Probably cut something off that easy. Well, that's everything in the box, guys. Now, I ordered some stuff the other day. Finally came in. I'm gonna show it to you. Got some buddies been bragging about these Savage 3D racks. I finally picked one up in the 6.5 inch, I believe it was. I already opened it up, checked it out. It looks pretty good. Comes with extra tail. These tails are easy to pull out, like I'll show you. See, my guess, if you'd want, you could put some super glue down in there after you put the tail in. When I first got it, opened it up and checked it out, it had a little piece of plastic in there. Pulled out super easy. So I pulled it out, you know, fixed it. I'll definitely be adding a touch of super glue to it before I get it out on the water. Everybody around here has been saying it's doing good for them. So I'm gonna try her out. And I know a lot of you guys have seen these advertised. I picked up a couple packs of the Doomsday Turtles. Okeechobee Crawl, I believe, is what they advertised this color as. Let's see what it looks like. See, now I read that they was real easy to tear. They seem pretty good to me. I mean, that's pretty stout for a plastic. I don't know how many comes in here. Guess we can dump them out and see. Five. Ooh, the storm took the power out. There it comes back on. Okay, and I got the red shad. A little bit like a creamy color on the bottom, like a red cream. Then on the top you got the dark red with the red glitter. Looks good. And like I said, these are durable. I mean, I've seen some reviews on them that they was tearing real easy. I mean, maybe they're different in the water, but I mean, you seen me pulling on them. It wasn't easy. And I picked up some Z-Man flipping jigs. Got a 5/8 ounce in the Candy Crawl. And the blue, black, green pumpkin in 5/8 ounce. And I picked up a Strike King Tour Grade 1/2 ounce jig in the black and blue. I don't know if they got a special color for it. Nope. And this is made with Gamakatsu hooks. So I'll be trying all this stuff out, guys. Keep you updated.